This FM 104.3. Who to meet target?
Security agencies near there. They say to almost form a bottle scanner to go and do the work on behalf of the service and on behalf of government. And I know you want. So you're being here to remove as to which of these qualify in that release norm the buy. I know you want. Number two, what is the definition of that fuel allowance? I see a busem. A buy will never spend $1 Ghana cedis on fuel for any political appointee until when? Are they also to use their own money? If you bring clarity on this one, because a person said a buy a mocha $1 Ghana in supporting and fueling these appointees in the discharge of their duties. Then what would be the implications of this on these appointees on the ability to operate? Because there's a co-gracie occasion, there's a IGP, immigration service head, there's a fuel. And they not just and the excuse would be that they are a mini fuel. And also appointees, municipal and district chief executives are also the day-to-day running of the assemblies and the various institutions. Of say, how do they embark on this journey? And see, I find that if you are saying totally scrapping, it's populist because you may not be able to sustain it, and they will not be able to function. They will pretend they will be working because your management, so could be again. There are another critical group of people. A state-owned enterprises. In fact, Parliament Committee, Mayor Vice Chairman on Public Administration and State Institutions. You have state-owned enterprises in your oversight responsibilities over them. Now, over state-owned enterprises here, I remember an example. You have some Mineral Income and Investment Fund. Mama say be a Ghana Gas. Mama say be a MPA. You appointed what? Normally, what happens is that the president's green letter now or the ban.
Yeah.
Or say the board, the president will appointed Chairman General Kwame Zevakai to be chief executive, acting chief executive officer for the National Petroleum Authority. In that letter, the last paragraph, he always says that the president, the board should regularize the appointment in consultation with the Public Services Commission. So the board should regularize the appointment in consultation with the Public Services Commission. What happens is that Public Services Commission will now interview Kwame Zevakai as the acting CEO. And they are satisfied with the answers, the qualification, the expertise and experience. No more the confidential letter come Mampeni. Mampeni shared the report, then the Mampeni, when satisfied, the Kwame Apafia would then write to Public Services Commission to confirm his appointment of Kwame Zevakai as the CEO. Okay. Public Services Commission, in doing that for all CEOs, would then ask Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, they will write them to compute Kwame Zevakai's conditions of service and entitlement. Now, for you better letter finally, it's a green letter, then a white letter will come from Public Services Commission, confirming the president's appointment and detailing your conditions of service as contained in the appointment. You better say you're entitled to fuel, you're entitled to this, you're entitled to that. Until they start release way back, they must as well inform Public Services Commission, inform Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, the Mampeni intends in me. Into the agencies of state should then now take it up together with the board to scrap all those ones from the appointment letters.
And Opache says, how we need now, am I?
And oh my, if all kind of say there's the immediate effect that there's a hanging up. Kwame, and there's a much more serious one.
Which is?
The serious one is that there be appointees, several appointees of the president, a draw fuel in two places. One, a castle. There's a well depot there. Well,
at the castle in Osu.
Castle Osu.
Okay.
And there's one at Jubilee House. A honor appointees in the can Kusuani action pump. Now, near the gum. Near the gum. Carry a baby as with national security. Carry a baby as with assumed carry a minister with a honor and a piling up the debt. if the president wants us to take the directive serious, the first and foremost thing which we are throwing the challenge to them is to shut down these two fuel vending points, one at the castle, two at the Jubilee House.
But how sustainable? Because what I say, national security for etimedia fuel or there are certain important people. So, what do you say? They should shut it.
But I'm releasing about it. See, the issue of sustainability, you are directing it to the wrong person. However, you and I can raise the question of the sustainability. Because National Security Coordinator, National Security Interior Minister, all these categories are part of the president's appointees. It's the statement, a bit vague. But because you yourself admit that there are some categories of people like that for you to sustain it. Now, police for you, now, what's no fuel? Number two, there are some critical appointees in the discharge of their duties. Into a buying for Santi Munimra. But never buy a Santi a buying credit, is to shut down these two fuel vending points. One at the castle, one at the Jubilee. See, a two and Mudiani was okay, they two fuel nippy. Because I know Ghana 4 barbets, yes, 1 CD on each liter of fuel. Now, a buying the Onoshe, Jubilee House, the castle, on the route to Adiana Yibi.
Peace FM.
Yeah.
These were not the promises the NDC made to us.
Well, near him say, your name Minister Kwachu for Subetri come about.
And they.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.